So welcome to Parador Hotel. This is the door. It's outside. And this is the room. And there is a mini bar here. As you can see, there is a 3 bottle of water, 2 Coca-Cola, beer, and it should be 3 Coca-Cola and Fanta. Yeah, Fanta. And there's a nut on top. And I think this is from the guests, I think. Maybe this is welcome 1 bottle of water. And if you want the coffee, this is, you can drink coffee. So this is the table if you want to use it for your laptop. And this is another 1 table if you want to drink something, or if you want to eat something, or whatever. And then 1 single couch here, or chair, I don't know how to say, but and there's another one here. So beautiful. And look, 1 beautiful frame and side table. And look at the bed, it's so big. Look at the bed. Can lie down the 3 person. I like it so much, the style of the bed. And there is the Mother Mary de Guadalupe. Welcome to Paradores Guadalupe Cáceres. So that is the bed. It's very big bed. Look at that. I like the design. So beautiful. So clean, super clean. Our first time to visit here in Guadalupe Cáceres. It's so big. The room is so big. Very, very big. 1 lampshade in the corner. A big TV there. And a beautiful 2 frame also. 1 lampshade at the corner there. Look at this. 1 small window here. You can close if you want to open. And look, you can see outside. And here our terrace or balcony. It's very big also. Darling, he put there his backpack. And look, our view from the hotel. This is the Paradores Guadalupe. And look, the cathedral is there behind. So beautiful here. Beautiful, beautiful and sunny today. August 31. That is our view from our hotel. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look, we are here in the 2nd floor. Beautiful view. It must be very cold here if winter time, because now it's still summer here. So look the cathedral. This is the cathedral. The centro is downstairs. So all this is the hotel. All this top, 1st floor, and here is the 2nd floor. So darling is there sitting. We just arrived. So look, super big our room. Super big, like one house. Like one house in Madrid. As you can hear, the time is 4:28, and there is a mirror here. One long mirror here. And welcome to the bathroom. Very big bathroom. There is a 2 glass here, and also have the hand soap. It's a big mirror here, a very big mirror, and you have toothpaste. That is, I like it so much, this one, because it's too. If I can choose compared to Granada, Paradores in Granada, I like it so much, this style, the design of this, very big. Because you see the sink, there's 2 and long. I like this Paradores here in Guadalupe, Cáceres. Look, so beautiful, so clean. There is the hair dryer. Look, so beautiful. And I highly recommend to you guys to visit here in Paradores, Guadalupe, Cáceres, Extremadura. It's so beautiful. Look, this is the bathtub. It's very big, very clean. And of course, there is a shampoo, shower gel, conditioner. Look. I like it so much, the style of this hotel, this Paradores. And of course, there's a 2 bath towel there. I love it so much. There's a extra tissue. It's the towel for the floor. And always have one small chair. They give you 2 hand towels. Look. Okay. It's so clean. I like it so much, the style of this hotel. I love it. I highly recommend to you guys. Very big, the bathroom. Very big. Very big. And this is the cabinet, wardrobe. Look, the wardrobe. Very big also. Look, very big, the wardrobe. 3 rooms. It's windy today, and there's this, if you want to keep your things. A big cabinet. See? Extra blanket. Anyway, guys, it's so beautiful. A very big rooms. And I like it, the style. Look, like one house in Madrid. If you're in Madrid, it's like this. From the terrace to here is one house already. So, thank you for watching, guys. Yes, darling, I'm done. So beautiful.